Hi, I'm Dr. Nalini Prasad here at Laser Aesthetica, and I'm here to talk to you about laser tattoo removal today. I've been here for about 20 years and have had several different lasers for tattoo removal, at this time having one of the best lasers in the industry. We have the Luminous Pico 4, which allows us to have both the nanosecond laser device and a picosecond laser device. This laser is very unique in that it also has large spot sizes. What that means to the patient is that the large spot sizes allows us to actually go deeper into the skin. So we really do start out with taking that tattoo that the patient does not want anymore and break it up into kind of like little pieces of rock, like from going from a boulder to a rock, from going from rock to gravel, and then from going from gravel to very fine sand, and then out from the body. So it's really allowing us to go at the very depth of the tattoo, working itself up, and then also breaking it up into many different sizes so that the body can clear it. It is absolutely the best laser on the market at this time for removing tattoos. So how lasers work for tattoo removal is that what's coming out of the laser is the same thing that's coming out of a light bulb or a candle. It's just light. And when it comes out for a tattoo removal laser, it's coming out at a very, very fast pulse duration. So either the nanosecond or the picosecond, which is a millionth of a second or a trillionth of a second. When that light hits the tattoo, kind of the large ink, the large molecule of ink, it basically breaks up the ink in a photoacoustic manner. So you hear a crackling sound or some other type of sound as it's popping sound as it's breaking up that ink. Once the laser breaks up the ink, the white blood cells of the body that are constantly circulating around will actually be able to clear that smaller piece of ink out of the area where the tattoo ink was deposited. So how long it takes for a tattoo to be completely gone is based on 5 different things. It's based on how old the ink is, what type of ink was used, how much ink was put in by the tattoo artist. Were they heavy-handed or were they very light? What color is the ink? Some of the colors that need to be removed are a little bit more resistant to being broken down by a laser, although I do have to say that with the Pico 4 laser that we are able to address all the colors of the tattoo inks. And also the most important question is how active are your white blood cells? So how much are they able to see that tattoo ink that needs to be removed and actually clear it out? So those are the 5 things that will determine the number of treatments it will take. Laser tattoo removal can be painful, but as you know, pain is so variable from patient to patient. So what one person can tolerate is not what another person can tolerate. We do use ice packs and an air chiller to bring comfort while the treatment is being done. But also, if a patient finds that that's not adequate, we can call in an anesthetic cream that can be applied to the skin prior to the treatment to help numb the skin and make it less painful for the patient. Yes, laser tattoo removal is completely safe. The type of energy that is coming out of the laser is the exact same. It's in the visible or the near visible wavelength of light. So it is the same energy that's coming out of a light bulb or a candle and will not hurt you in any way whatsoever. How far apart are laser tattoo removal treatments? Typically, we perform treatments about 6 weeks apart. So once you've had your treatment, the next appointment would be in 6 weeks. The reason for that is we want to give the body enough time to clear as much of that ink out of the body as possible.